Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this one I'll be showing you this tool for your Mercedes-Benz. Essentially this enables autoplay and CarPlay. Okay, obviously usually you'd have to pay I think it's like £250 to enable this, but this tool cost me, I think I got it for 16 or 19 pounds, I can't remember. And essentially it enables CarPlay and Android Auto. Shows you the cars that are listed here, the ones that are compatible. So these are the ones compatible. So I have the CLA, mine's 2016, so hopefully it works. And the instructions are here. Turn on the ignition switch, you plug in the device, give it 10 seconds to restart and do its thing, and then remove it, and then connect your phone, and that should be it. So it's kind of plug and play. So let's see how it works. First step is you need to find where your OBD connector is. It's actually in the footwell, so I'll show you now. It's right here. So this right here. You just open it, and there it is. Okay, so now we plug this in. Let me just find the correct way. Okay, so now it's plugged in. We're gonna go switch on the car. Let us do this thing and see what happens. Okay, so back in the car. It kind of just started doing its thing. I didn't even touch it, and I'm just gonna allow it some time. So when I plugged it in, it started the screen by itself. My key is not even in. So let me do this. So put in the key. Switched it on now. Oh my god. Guys, it worked. Literally, wow. Guys, so I just plugged it in. It kind of did its thing. And then just literally put on the switch. And we got it. We got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. That is amazing. Okay, I'm just going to plug it in now. So I'm just going to put this phone, plug it into a car, and then see if it works. Alright guys, so I just got the iPhone wire plugged up. I'm just going to connect it. And let's see if it works. Okay, so it's activating the device. I'm going to say allow. Wow, guys, it works. It really, really works. That is amazing. Guys, as you can see, we got Apple CarPlay now, and this cost me £16. Honestly, I couldn't even, that's just amazing. Literally plug it in, switch it on, connect your phone, and yeah, that's it.